Get ready with me to go visit Serendipity. So first, I'm going to start off with sunscreen. This one is by Native Mineral Face Lotion. My husband actually picked it up from Target. It worked, but it's not my favorite. I saw that e.l.f. came out with a new one. And it's supposed to be like the dupe for the Supergoop. I've never tried the Supergoop, but I want to try the e.l.f. one. Can you start to see the white cast? I need to put on a good amount of sunscreen because here in the low desert, even right now, it's supposed to be winter. And in a lot of other places, it's really, really cold. Here, it's like, what, maybe high 60s, low 70s. Winter didn't even stop by. It was supposed to be one of the coldest winters, and we had like a few cold days. But it feels like every single year, I think summer can't get worse, and every single year, summer gets worse. Oh, I didn't put any on my neck. Shoot. I have another one, but the other one's like more for the body. Where is it? I always lose everything right when I need it. Oh, I think this is by the same brand, Native. I like this one a little bit more. I love the way it smells. It's coconut and pineapple. And I'm gonna put this the rest of my face and on my chest. So I've been experimenting with making different ice cream flavors. So far I've made a cinnamon vanilla yogurt ice cream. I know it sounds kind of weird. It was kind of weird. Oh my gosh, the white cast is like very apparent right now. We had yogurt in the fridge and I was like, oh, I've seen a lot of people using yogurt to make ice cream, so let me try that one. It was all right. I also made a strawberry ice cream, but that one was all right. It was my first attempt at a strawberry ice cream. It was good, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't like, oh my god, this is a strawberry ice cream I'll never forget. And then I got better at it. So I've made a couple batches of like really nice, fresh chunks of strawberry type of strawberry ice cream. Last night I made a walnut pecan ice cream. Pecan, I don't know how you say it. And then I also made a triple nut chocolate ice cream. Nutty chocolate ice cream. It had almonds, pecans, and walnuts. So no, the kids keep joking that I'm opening up my little ice cream shop here at home. I'm not. Just so you know, I'm not. But that's what they call it. While that sinks into my skin, I'm going to start working on the eyes. And I want to do something like pretty. Peachy, pinky, glittery. Oh my god. This was one of my favorite ColourPop palettes just because it was so pretty. And look at it. And of course, if they're going to destroy any eyeshadows, they're going to go for the prettiest ones. Glitter, glitter, glitter. All the glitter shades are missing. It's not good. I would have chosen those two if I was a kid. I usually never prime my eyelids. I just go right on top with the shadow. But I'm going to today. Here. Now I'm going to set it and forget it. I'm going to set it with a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Where's my little sponge? Mi esponja. I'm not doing it so that my shadows stick on longer, because I think they're gonna last regardless. I'm just doing it so that I have like an even base to work with, and so that the shadows stand out a little bit more. I'm gonna start off with this color right here because it just has a really nice warmth to it that I feel would like be the perfect background for more pink shades. And I'm softly gonna run it back and forth. I feel a little bit congested right now. It's not as bad as it was earlier, but not earlier today, but earlier this week. But I can't get sick because I really want to go visit Serendipity. It's been so long. I want to plant new seeds. I want to trellis things. I need to clean up for sure, but I think I'm going to do the fun stuff first. This color is not going to make a huge difference. It's going to be hanging out in the background. I love affordable makeup because buying affordable makeup just makes sense in my head. Because if I don't spend so much money on makeup, then I can spend that money on plants and the garden. And that's where like my obsession lies. Gardening just brings me another type of joy. I'm gonna dip a little bit into this one and this one, and I'm mixing them together. I like how that looks. Okay, let's try it. Let me start adding some of that pink tone in there. I'm not looking for like anything really dramatic. I just want a soft wash. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of this one on its own. No, not that one. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of this guy. And I'm gonna bring it just a little bit into my crease. Looks kind of messy right now, but I'll fix it. And I'm also gonna add some onto my lid. Then I'm gonna take one of the brushes that I used earlier, and I'm gonna start buffing out all the edges. First, just with my brush. Then I'm gonna go in to the first color, just a little smidge. And then I'm gonna run that over the edges again, just like that. I think I wanna go in with one of the ColourPop eyeshadows. I only own 3 of them, but I think I'm gonna go in with Ritz. Ritz is just one of my all-time favorites. Look how shimmery and beautiful that is. You see how that like starts to lighten it and makes it way more wearable? But I needed to make the reddish pinkish tone a little bit more vibrant on my skin before I added in this one, because I knew that it would start to mute it down. You see difference now? I think I'm gonna do just a teeny tiny little bit of black liner. My go-to waterproof black liner is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Waterproof Ultra Fine Liquid Eyeliner. This one's fantastic. Okay, this is gonna ruin the vibe, but I need this. I need this to do my eyeliner. Did I shake it? I really like this eyeliner because it's like a really matte black, and I've worn it outside during the summer months here in the low desert, and it has not smudged on me. It has not come off. My mascara will come off before it comes off, so that's why I really like it. Whenever I put on eyeliner, I feel like my eyebrows disappear even more. Like, keep in mind I have like no foundation or anything on them, but can you see how they have more like of a greenish tinge versus being more black? Next, I'm gonna take my eyelash curler. Okay, I've been practicing how to do this. Okay, hold on. I might need the mirror again. For some reason, as soon as I put the eyelash curler on, all I want to do is blink. For mascara, the one that does not flake on me and holds the curl is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. And this is the Hydro Fudge formula, and it's in the color, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it was like darkest brown or something like that. I don't do eyeliner this much eyeliner usually, but I did right now because I felt like one was just slightly thicker and I kept going back and forth and back and forth, and now here we are. And I really only have like one one foundation to work with. I don't even know where that one's at. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I don't usually wear, nor do I usually buy foundation, because here I'm always outside gardening, and because I'm outside, my skin tone changes so frequently throughout the year. So I would need to have several foundations, and I don't wear it enough to pick up several. So I hope that this shade is okay. So right now it's looking a little yellow over here. I ran out of my forehead. That's the final makeup look. I'm ready to go see Serendipity. Now I'm just gonna change out of this apron and put on some gardening clothes, and then I'll be outside ready to tackle the garden again. You guys, out of the garden bed, please. Come on. Aren't they so pretty? I'm back to show you how the makeup wore after gardening all day. So it came off on my forehead, but that's because I was wearing the sweatband, and from far away, it doesn't look too bad. The blush is still on there. The eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara, brows are still on. But the foundation definitely broke up around my upper lip and then around my nose. It like started breaking up right here, or maybe that's dirt. It could be both. And then over here too, you can see all the lines and stuff. But then again, that's like the biggest problem area that I have, and I've been outside for hours. And for the makeup to look like this, that's still pretty good. It's the end of the night. I'm about to get in the shower, but I like everything so far. I do want to try another foundation though, one that's meant to be more long wearing, just to see how that works out. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. Preferably drugstore, because like I said before, my skin changes so frequently, like my skin tone, that I don't want to spend so much money on foundation or concealer if I'm gonna have to switch it up in like 2 weeks, because I want to spend all my money on plants.